Hamilton County, northwestern Bracken County, southern Campbell County, southeastern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, Claremont County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., radar indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar estimates indicate that 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain has fallen across parts of the area since 7 p.m. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Loveland, Milford, Falmouth, Forestville, Amelia, Bethel, New Richmond, Williamsburg, Terrace Park, Batavia, Felicity, Camp Dennison, Williamsville, the village of Indian Hill, Mainville, Owensville, Goshen, Newtonsville, Mentor, and Moscow. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.